Students, our next topic is the revolution and everyday life. Revolution and everyday life mean कि after revolution what's happened in France? One important law that came into effect soon after storming of Bastille in summer of 1789 कि on that time they abolished the censorship. Censorship means कि now your press and magazines, anyone can oppose the government if they are not doing well. Even then the aristocracy also. कि old regime, all written material and culture activity, books, newspaper, play could be published or performed only after they had been approved. Earlier what happened? Before 1789, what happened on that time? There was a censorship on publishing any wrong material against the king. No one dared to print and publish anything against ruler. Ki now the Declaration of Right, when they give the Declaration of Rights of men and citizen, prolong freedom of press, freedom of speech, freedom of expression to be a natural right. Okay, these are all the natural right by birth they have. Okay, no one can snatch it. Newspaper, pamphlet, books and printed pictures flooded the town of France from where they traveled rapidly in the countryside. Flooded in the towns and also spread in the countryside, travel one place to another, sent by the suppliers, and they all described and discussed the events and changes taking place in these pamphlet and magazine. They write on about the changes take place in France. Freedom of press also meant that opposing view of events could be expressed. If they want to write something against the government, they have the right to freedom of press. Each side sought to convince the others of its position through the medium of print. Plays, song and festive procession attract a large number of people. This was one way they could grasp and identify with the idea, such as your liberty or justice. The political philosopher wrote about the political philosophers. You know about that Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu wrote about, and other one also wrote about at length in text which only a handful of educated people could read. Educated people could read, and on that time when the illiterate person gathered on that time, a light class educated people read the content, read the topics, read the newspaper and pamphlet, and people those who are illiterate, they listen thoroughly and they know about it what is happening in France. Okay, these all are the activities and revolts of what changes comes after the revolution, and how this French Revolution inspired the revolt of other countries of Europe also. Okay, thank you beta.